القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 16. In lesson number 16, we will look at Darajatul Ghunnah. Darajatul Ghunnah means the ranks of the Ghunnah. So I've been alluding to this in each lesson actually, that there are different ranks of the Ghunnah, there are different strengths and there are different lengths. So the Darajatul Ghunnah actually refers to all of this that we're talking about. So now that you've learned all the different rules, now you'll be able to see which ones have the longest Ghunnah and which ones have the shorter Ghunnah. So we have now looked at a number of rules regarding to the Ghunnah, which is the nasal sound, when we pronounce them. So the Ghunnah occurs in the following cases: intrinsic in the Noon and Mim, the Ikhfa of Noon Sakin and Tanween and Mim, and Al-Iqlab, and of course the Al-Idgham of Noon Sakin and Tanween into the letters Ya, Noon, Mim and Waw, so Yanmu. And you will now discuss the different order of length and how to pronounce each one. So this refers to the length of the Ghunnah. So there are 4 lengths of Ghunnah, or the 4 types of Ghunnah. The first one is the most complete. The most complete is referred to as Al-Akmal. So Al-Akmal, Al-Ghunnah Al-Akmal, or Ghunnah Akmal. The second one is Ghunnah Kamila, which is the complete. Ghunnah Kamila is complete. The third one is Ghunnah Naqisa, which is the incomplete. And the last one is Al-Ghunnah Al-Anqas, or Ghunnah Anqas, which is the most incomplete. And we will now discuss each one of these. So as mentioned, the ranks of the Ghunnah affect the length of the Ghunnah. Now the length of the Ghunnah refers to how long we stay on the Ghunnah sound. Very important thing to consider, there is no specific timing when we stay on the Ghunnah. Rather, it depends on the speed that you are reading and how long you are pronouncing each harakah. So if you are pronouncing the harakah like f, then that affects how long the Ghunnah will occur. If you are pronouncing the harakah like f, which is slightly longer, then it will affect the Ghunnah in accordance to the length of that. And we'll be looking at the speeds in the next lesson as well. Now, an expert teacher of Tajweed can guide the student in this. Listening to the master reciters in their various recordings can also help in timing the different ranks of Ghunnah. So you realize that when you listen to the master reciters, there are different lengths of the Ghunnah, and it comes with great practice, just like the Sifat, just like Al-Ikhfa, many of the other rules. It comes with great practice ensuring that the Ghunnah is read at a certain length. So when we consider the ranks of Ghunnah, we must also take care how much of the Ghunnah is being passed through the nose, as we have learned in the previous lessons. Now, of course, with Noon and Mim Mushaddada, it's completely in the nose. With Noon Sakin into the, or Tanween into the Noon, it's completely in the nose. With the Mim Sakin into the Mim, it goes completely in the nose. With Al-Iqlab, it's completely in the nose. And with all others, there is some in the nose and there is some in the mouth. And of course, with Al-Ikhfa of Ta, Dal and Ta, it's quite a lot in the mouth and only some coming out through the nose. Now, this is the first category, which we will now take a look at in the next video to ensure that we cover all of the ranks in one video.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.